Hi, I'm Laszlo. I'm from Oradea, Romania. I'm a DP and a producer. We run a small production house in Oradea called Amazing Visuals, and also we run a small rental house called Naked Pixel. You can get from us all kinds of cameras like Red, Arri, Sony, Blackmagic, whatever you need. You can get mirrorless cameras, lots of lenses, and you also have the choice of having two Phantom Flex cameras in-house in our production studio. Well, when you look around me now, you can tell that we are huge fan of Kessler gear. There's second shooter plus, a couple of motors, turntable, but we also have, since the beginning, since Kessler came around, we used their analog motion control, the Oracle controller and Revolution head, and also we have shuttle pod and a couple of sliders from them. So there is no surprise that we've been looking forward to put our hands on their CineShooter, the newest multi-axis head they came out with. So thanks for them, we have their CineShooter in-house. So there's the box. This is how you get it. They scream quality. So what's inside? There is a quick start guide when you want to shoot right away with the CineShooter. There is an AC adapter for the US. Okay, and this one is for Europe. There's some screws and a USB-C cable. And what I was expecting, also a V-mount plate, but we can manage without it. There's a couple of options you can power this thing. So I think one is this power brick, and then you can put a V-mount plate or an Anton Bauer plate on the side of this thing, and then you can power with V-mount batteries. So basically the CineShooter, as you unpack it, it's ready to go. Let's see the physicality of the head. So first off, as I said, there are some magnets, and there is the place where you mount your battery plate. There is a power plug. You can plug in this power brick that comes with it. There is this L plate where you mount your camera on, and you can adapt your nodal point and your sensor, middle point of the sensor. You can adjust its position with this plate. And there is this mounting plate that can go into a Kessler quick release, or you can put some other plate on it to be able to mount on different tripods or a slider. What's interesting that this is a standalone unit, and this one can control a slider motor. This one can control, I don't have it here on the table, a focus or zoom motor for your camera. Can control also a turntable. So you can have a 6-axis move thanks to this standalone head. You don't need any other controllers. Probably because there is some magnets, and if you want to put the second shooter plus or even the Pro on it, probably you can extend the number of controls you can do with this unit. Maybe not with the first firmware, but probably it's coming. So just look out if you want to have a 10-axis or 12-axis move. Probably it will be possible in the future if it's not possible now. You can control this. I didn't tell you. Let's see again the ports it has. It has a slider motor port and two additional ports for zoom or for focus motor. But these ports can be used also to control one a focus motor and the other one probably a turntable or some other motor that is compatible with the from Kessler. And also you have a control plug. I don't know, you can control with this probably some other accessories. There is a power port. You can power on your camera maybe. We have to check if this has enough power to power the RED. There is a display and also a joystick for controlling the unit if you don't have other control options. You can control this in a very similar fashion as the second shooter plus or the second shooter. It's a four direction joystick with a push functionality. There is shift and menu button also. You can control with PS4 and Xbox controller, but just to show you, you can use the CineShooter app from the App Store or from Google Play Store. It's very easy to use, and also what is interesting about it that it can add 10 keyframes to the move of the CineShooter of all the 6 axes. This before was a feature only for the Pro app for higher end motion control rigs. So I downloaded the app and just found the Wi-Fi that is transmitted from the CineShooter, and it's already connected. And with this joystick, I can control the tilt axis, and also I can control the pan axis. So if I had this on a tripod, I could control pan and tilt already. And also it shows here the axes which are connected right now. So now it sees only the pan and tilt axis, and the slider is not bold written, so the slider is not connected, and the 2 additional axes, A1, A2, are not connected either. You can control also time lapse. In this case, it will control also the camera, and you can set up how many shoots your camera wants to shoot while the motion is running. So, but right away you can use the phone app to control remotely the CineShooter. All right, so we are really looking forward to test this thing on a big slider to have a multi-axis move set up with our cameras. So check back soon, and hope you enjoyed this. And you can buy this from KesslerCrane.com, or you can find local retailers in Europe or throughout the world.